Vigar invented a double step stool option. So this is a 40 centimetre one, which can be challenging to go from 0 to 40 centimetres in one step. So this enables you to break it into two parts, so 20 centimetres and 20 centimetres, and makes it really easy to get to that maximum height. Oh, now you're taller than me. 40 centimetres up. Anita will be able to get into the tallest cupboards in the tallest houses, no problems at all, to organise all that cupboard space. And if you're going to use all of your cupboard space in the kitchen, you need one of these, because to get into your cupboards, you need to actually see in your cupboards
Correct.
first.
Oh, listen,
There's
I can
no
only
point
get
doing
my,
this.
I only get up here. But what I also love about these is that they're great to have in your bathrooms as well. So the kids can get up to the sink.
Exactly.
And brush their teeth, see into the mirror, and they're very kid friendly.
Sure, we've even got some kid designs behind us there.
Oh.
We've got fish, we've got love, we've got stars. So we've even got some kid embellishment ones. 80% recycled plastic in them as well, and the only ones on the market that have the 150 kg rating. There's a non-slip pattern on the top, and there's little non-slip feet as well to stop them in a wet
Safe,
environment.
sturdy, and keeps you organised.